Hi, my name is Yvan Edwards, and I'm talking about the Week 9 video assignment, The Transgender Inmates. Considering the complexities surrounding the placement of transgender inmates, what factors should correctional institutions prioritize to ensure the safety, dignity, and rights of all individuals? In the U.S. alone, there is 1% of the U.S. population, which is still 2.8 million people, are transgender. Based on the incarceration rate, 31% of said people, of the 2.8 million, 31% of them are arrested. The complexity surrounding the placement of these individuals make it which jail do we put them in? If they identify as a woman, do we put them in a female jail? If they identify as a man, do they put them in a male jail? And if they identify as a non-binary individual, then do we put them in the jail that they were assigned, their assigned sexes? That is a more difficult situation, whereas in it is possible, knowing the government, not sure if it is possible, but making a transgender, or specifically a jail or a unit for those individuals specifically. How can policies be structured to balance the gender identity of transgender inmates with the safety and concerns of the broader prison population? The prison population is always going to be large and is always going to have crime even in the prison. To help with the gender identity, there is not really much that us as people can do, but the government and policies can change to help establish that there are things that people can and can't do. There can be transgender women who are proper and not such criminals that are in prison, and they can be seen as not villainized or as a woman dressing up as a man if policies can help fix that. Some policies that can be fixed are just addressing the situation, properly addressing how they are established, and sadly, I hate to say it, how passing they look, which is not a great thing to really say because it kind of negates their own identity. But policies could help with, quote unquote, help with that. Back to the complexities is that there are more issues with wanting to factor in more safety and rights, as it is hard to factor in safety and rights when all parties are such a difficult party to look at, and it has to be a lot more funding for said parties. And that is all I have. Thank you.